Today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-page sketchbook out of one sheet of paper. And if you don't have a blank sheet of paper, you can use some recycle. So I have this thing I pulled out of recycle that I can use and still go on the good side. And it's a good way to recycle as well. So you only need a sheet of paper and a pair of scissors to do this. So you're going to fold the paper in half, line up your corners, and crease it well, like this. Open it up, fold it in half the other way. Again, lining up your corners and creasing it well, like this. Now you're going to open it up again so that it is in the portrait orientation. And you're going to fold the top and the bottom to the center line, like that. Crease it well, line up your corners. The better you line it up, the better your notebook will turn out. So like that. Now you're going to unfold it all the way again. This time you're going to fold it in half like this. Kids call this hamburger. And you'll notice there's a crease and a crease that goes across. You're going to make one cut halfway down the paper, right on that line, and stop there. And then open it up. So you've got a sheet of paper with a slice down the center. Now you're going to fold it like this and push it together like that. And fold the pages around. And there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Now, why is it a good idea to make yourself a little sketchbook? Because we are living in hopefully a once-in-a-lifetime event. And younger kids, you can draw pictures of what you do at home during this time that school is closed. And bigger kids, adults, you can write down your thoughts and feelings. Just keep a little diary with some drawings and some thoughts about what's going on or what you want to hope happen after we all come back together. So make yourself a little notebook today. If you want to keep the back page blank, you can glue a couple of them together and make a bigger notebook. You can get some cardstock and cut it out and put on the front. And that, my friends, is it.